Hi, my name is Kent. I'm the Creative Specialist on the Google Web Designer team, and I'd like to show how to use GWD with Ads Creative Studio to create video and display projects. You might have noticed this option grayed out in the GWD Publish menu, Upload to Ads Creative Studio. That's because it's only available for the ad types video and image. So with the video ad open, that option's now available. The idea is you create your video ad as you normally would. Here's one I've already made, then first publish it locally. I'm publishing multiple variants just like I would in ACS. I've got 3 variants, each in 3 sizes. When that completes, I'll find all 9 movies in my GWD project folder. I'd first review them, and then I would use this feature, Upload to Ads Creative Studio. You'll have to be signed in to GWD and have a linked ACS account before proceeding. There's a link describing how to get that all set up in this video description. Now select those video files we just created and drag them into this Upload panel on the left. Image files like logos can be uploaded here when using the image ad type in GWD. On the right, I see the asset library and its folder structure. I've already made some subfolders which I can navigate and make new folders. Alternately, I could rearrange folders in my ACS account and then use this refresh button to see those changes here. When I get to my destination folder, I upload and see the progress countdown. This part goes pretty quick, of course depending on the files, but it's much quicker than the time needed to render the videos in the first place. Now in ACS, logged into my account and on my homepage, I visit the asset library, navigate to that folder I used, and here are those files I just uploaded from GWD. Since I created these as complete video ads in GWD, I'd convert them to ACS variants by starting a new video project, one for each supported ad size. Then place those GWD movies as swappable assets. Here's my finished project showing 3 variants with rules for my first size. I see my CTA text changing in the thumbnails, and this is ready to export now. Notice I used the GWD files as assets in my ACS project, just like any other video asset. So in the same way, I could also use GWD to create custom animations or edit video clips for ACS, extending its capabilities. For example, suppose I have a 15-second video project in ACS, and I want to create a 6-second version of it. The problem is, the end of my video is cropped off, but that's the part I want to keep. In GWD, I can open that same video clip and trim off the beginning. Now I have the part I want, so I publish this locally, then upload that file to ACS, and back in my ACS project, on the Variants tab, I update that element with the new video in my asset library, save, and play back to see the results. And very quickly, here's a few more examples of extending ACS by creating custom video clips in GWD that can be easily dropped into any ACS video project. In this way, GWD is a video editor integrated with ACS. Here's a sample motion sequence. It's like the closing card to the last video we saw, except it's created from static elements and images in GWD as a video file. There's no video content yet, but I've got a subtle animation on the logo fading in, and next I'll create some motion graphics with this text, which, by the way, I'll point out, since the output will be video, I have full access to all my design fonts, so I'm not limited to just web or Google fonts. I'm using Big Caslon. I'll select that static text element, move the playhead to the point where I want the animation to begin, and add a text effect. Drop in, and make a few adjustments. Shorten the duration, reduce the offset, increase the speed, and use word by word. Then play back the effect. That looks good. Then I publish the video clip locally and upload to ACS just like before. Another common use case is creating custom transitions between video clips. Here's ACS's multiple videos template. I have containers for 2 separate video clips with a straight cut between them, not a transition. Here in GWD, I have the same 2 short video clips with the hard cut between them, but now I can easily add a transition with this icon, like Iris Wipe. You can also mask your videos or any element, for example, with the Shape Mask tool. Or with my own custom image. Those are just a couple simple examples of extending ACS video capabilities by using GWD. In all cases, I'm just creating video clips uploaded to ACS through the Publish menu. So all that's just for video ads, but there's another entirely different workflow for display ads, which are traditional HTML5 interactive banner ads. All ACS display projects start with a template or uploaded code. There is no builder interface to create custom designs like ACS video projects have. Here are the templates, and you can use them all in ACS. But you can only change content like text, colors, and images. There's no design or layout changes. In GWD, I can open all those same templates, shown here together in the Brand Awareness group, which is the dynamic schema used by both DV360 and ACS. I'll open that same exact template, and now I can change anything. All animation keyframes, any responsive size, and critical design details. For example, I can use GWD to see how my logo looks when placed in ACS. It's a little small, but that can't be changed in ACS. While in GWD, it's easy. Here's an updated file with several design adjustments. Compare this to the ACS results on the left after adding all my same content to that template. In GWD, I have a bigger logo, different fonts, and a restyled CTA. I can also control the portion of my image shown, in this case centering the steering wheel. My next variant shows how I've used Flexbox to vertically center the headline automatically for any amount of text since I've removed the subheadline. All these changes are fully supported and easy in GWD. When I'm done designing, here's how I move my work into ACS. Because it's a banner ad, that Upload to ACS option is grayed out. Instead, I publish locally again and make sure Create Zip is checked. Then in ACS, start a new display project and choose HTML5. Find that zip we just created in GWD and drag it into this panel. I'll leave Customizable set to Yes so I can make variants and click Create. Next, I'd choose Edit Template to set my two swappable elements, then create variants and rules, and the end result looks like this. In summary, those are just a few use cases combining the custom creative power of Google Web Designer with Ads Creative Studio. Uploading videos and images to the asset library, and creating your own customizable HTML5 banner ads. That's it for using Google Web Designer with Ads Creative Studio. Thanks for watching.